Welcome students to class 5 maths chapter 4 factors and multiples session 4.4. Today we will do least common multiple or LCM. We already know what are multiples and how to find multiples. Let us start with two numbers 3 and 4. We will find the multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So these are the multiples of 3. To generate multiples, we multiply the given number with 1, 2, 3 and so on. For multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Now let us see which is the first common multiple, that is 12. After that we have 24. So the common multiples are 12 and 24. We can generate more multiples also. Now 12 is the smallest common multiple or the least common multiple. So we write least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Prime factorization method to find the least common multiple. Let us consider two numbers 12 and 18. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3, and prime factors of 18 are 2, 3, 3. So we will write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. The common factors are 2 and 3. 2 appears in both 12 and 18. 3 also appears in 12 and 18. Now after that we are left with two numbers which are not forming a pair. So uncommon factors are 2 and 3. Now we will take out the product of all the common and uncommon factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And when we are writing it like this, we have to write in ascending order. It is considered a better practice. Notice here we made one entry for the common factor, 2, 1 entry for the common factor 3. Then 1 entry for the non-common 2 and 1 entry for the non-common 3, which gives us 36. Therefore, least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36. Let us find the LCM of 16, 24 and 30 by division method. For division method, we will write 16, 24 and 30. Since all three are divisible by 2, we will write 2 over here. Now we will divide all these three numbers by 2 and write the answer here. When 16 is divided by 2, we get 8. 24 is divided by 2, we get 12. And when 30 is divided by 2, we get 15. Now again we will divide by 2. 8 will give us 4. 12 will give us 6. 15 does not divide by 2, so we will write 15 as it is. Once again we will divide by 2. 4 will give us 2. 6 will give us 3. 15 does not divide by 2, so we will write 15. Now once again we will divide by 2. 2 will become 1. When we divide 2 by 2, we get 1. 3 doesn't divide and 15 doesn't divide, so we copy these numbers as it is. Now we will divide by next prime number, that is 3. We will copy 1 as it is. 3 will go 1 time. 15 will go 5 times in 3. Now we will divide with 5. Finally, we are left with all ones at the bottom. So the LCM is the product of all these numbers. LCM of 16, 24 and 30 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This gives us 240. So the LCM is 240. Where do we use the concept of LCM? Do you remember, students? We had started off today's lesson by finding out multiples of 3 and 4 and then finally finding out the least common multiple as 12 for 3 and 4. Now the practical application. Supposing you get permission to play video game on every third day and your friend gets permission to play video game on every fourth day. And today happens to be the day that both you and your friend have got permission to play video game. Now tell me, when will you get that permission again on the same date? You can tell this with the help of LCM. if today you have got permission, so then you will get after 3 days, then on the 6th day, then on the 9th day, and then finally on the 12th day. And the child who is getting permission after every 4th day, if they have played today, after 4 days they will get, then on the 8th day they will get permission, and then on the 12th day. So both of you will get permission on the 12th day. So what have you actually done? You have found the least common multiple of 3 and 4. Now let's take the school scenario. The morning bell rings at 8 o'clock. Then for the primary section, it rings after every 30 minutes. For the senior wing, the bell rings after every 40 minutes. When will the two bells ring together at the same time, so that the entire school can have the break at the same time? For that also you have to find LCM of 30 and 40. And LCM of 30 and 40 will be 120. So after 120 minutes, that is, the primary wing would have had 4 periods and the senior wing would have had 3 periods. Then both of them will have the bell at the same time. That is when the school can have a break. This is how in our daily life we use LCM. Now we are all ready to do a worksheet on LCM. Worksheet 4.4. Question 1. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. A. 12 and 15. B. 16 and 64. C. 24 and 56. D. 6, 8 and 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers. A. 7296. B. 1648. C. 615 25. D. 12, 18 and 24. And here you will be using the division method. Solutions to the worksheet 4.4. A part was to find the LCM by prime factorization method of 12 and 15. So, we will find the prime factors of 12 and 15. Prime factors of 12, prime factors of 15. So, we will write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Only one common pair I can see is of 3. 3 is the common factor, rest are uncommon factors. So we will get basically 4 numbers. Product of common and non-common factors, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which gives us 60. So LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. B part, LCM of 16 and 64. Prime factors of 16, prime factors of 64. So here we have 4 2's, here we have 6 2's. So we will write prime factorization of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factorization of 64 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And common factors are 4 2's and then we are left with 2 2's. They are the uncommon factor because they have nothing parallel to it in the factors of 16. So the product of the common and the non-common factors is 2 multiplied 6 times, which is 64. So LCM of 16 and 64 is 64. Then the C part was, we have to find the LCM of 24 and 56. Prime factors of 24, prime factors of 56. Prime factorization of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now we have these 3 pairs of 2 as the common factors and 3 and 7 as the uncommon factor. Now we will find the product of common and uncommon factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. This gives us 168. So the LCM of 24 and 56 is 168. LCM of 6, 8 and 10. Prime factors of 6, prime factors of 8, prime factors of 10. So we'll write 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So the common factor is 2 and rest are all uncommon factors. Okay. Product of common and uncommon would be 5 numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that gives us 120. So LCM of 6, 8, 10 is 120. Now LCM of 72 and 96 by division method. We'll start by dividing by 2. We get 36 and 48. This is also divisible by 2. When we divide, we get 18 and 24. This is also divisible by 2. When we divide, we get 9 and 12. Now this 12 is divisible by 2. So we will again divide by 2. Since 9 is not divisible, we'll write 9 as it is, and 12 is divisible, so we write 6 there. This is again divisible by 2. So 9 will copy as it is, 6 becomes 3. Now we'll divide by 3. 9 will go 3 times and 3 will go 1 time. Now again we'll divide by 3. Now we have come to 1 and 1. So the LCM is product of all these numbers. LCM of 72 and 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which gives us 288. LCM of 16 and 48. We start by dividing by 2. We get 8 and 24. We again divide by 2. We get 4 and 12. We will again divide by 2. We get 2 and 6. We will again divide by 2. We get 1 and 3. Now we'll divide by 3 and we get 1 and 1. Product of all these prime numbers would be our LCM. LCM of 16 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 48. LCM of 6, 15 and 25. We'll start by dividing by 2. We get 3. 15 does not divide, 25 does not divide, so we copy them as it is. Now none of them divide by 2. We check with 3. So we divide by 3. We get 1, 5 and 25. 25 doesn't divide, so we have written 25 as it is. Now next we will check with 5. So these two numbers divide with 5. So we get 1, 1 and 5. Again we will divide with 5 and now we get 1, 1 and 1. So now at the stage where we get 1, 1, 1, we stop, and the product of all these numbers is our LCM. So LCM of 6, 15 and 25 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, which is 150. LCM of 12, 18 and 24. We start dividing by 2. We get 6, 9 and 12. We again divide by 2. 6 divides and becomes 3. 9 does not divide by 2. So 9 stays 9. 12 becomes 6. We again divide by 2. 3 and 9 will not divide. We just copy them like that only. 6 becomes 3. Now none of them divide by 2. So we check the next prime number 3. So we get 1, 3 and 3. We again divide by 3 and now we get 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM is product of all these numbers. LCM of 12, 18, 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is 72. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I hope you enjoyed doing the worksheet. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.